What's up, you guys? It's early in the morning, and I just woke up not too long ago, and I'm reading this book, Unscripted. Oh, and it appears backwards in the video, doesn't it? By MJ DeMarco. And he's talking about wannabe entrepreneurs looking for the easy button where they can get success overnight. And I've felt that way in the past, looking for the ultimate silver bullet, but it doesn't exist. You got to work. And he says some really cool stuff that I want to read to you guys. He says the shortcut scam is the idea that extraordinary results can be achieved by uncovering a secret bypass or a miracle weapon, and such can skirt the real hard work that actually creates the extraordinary results. Then he says, let's see, we live in a microwave culture that demands fast results. What we want now, and we want it quickly, and we want it easily. And then he says the truth is that many folks reading this book are looking for a shortcut, and after they discover that there is no shortcut perched on a silver platter, and instead hard work and late nights are required, they'll tweet to their 17 followers that this book is crap. Boo-hoo, MJ didn't give me the easy button. He says the shortcuts scam denies process, overlooking the necessity of daily rituals and habits, and instead expects fantastic results effortlessly. Conversely, the process principle, meaning doing the same things day in and day out that build on each other, the process principle is an intelligent awareness that extraordinary results require an extraordinary effort, consisting of daily habits, routines, and sacrifices. And filming videos like this is a great example. It's just a daily thing that I don't do it daily, but I should, and I want to. He says the unscripted, meaning people that break free from the status quo and the work model that we're all used to. The unscripted understand that uncomfortable processes precede progress, and without it, progress can't exist, and that end result never arrives. He says when you finance a new Beamer for 72 months because you're cash short, you're buying success instead of earning success. Heck, if you can't be rich now, perhaps you can look rich now. And then he says, let's see, examine the poor reviews for this book, my last book, or any book relating to money or entrepreneurship, and the common theme will be that the paint-by-numbers shortcut was not bibbed and spoon-fed into the entrepreneur's salivating mouth. And for those lost entrepreneurs, the search continues tirelessly, at least until the next job hunt. And let's see, I'll read you maybe two more things. So he has a fake conversation between a wannabe entrepreneur and his responses. Wannabe entrepreneur: I want those beautiful roses blooming across the river. Can you help me get them? Author says, sure, but learning to cross the river isn't easy or quick. Wannabe entrepreneur says, learning? Can't you just give me the roses? And then the author says, excuse me? The wannabe entrepreneur says, you've already crossed the river. Just give me your big boat. Or better yet, just give me the roses. And then the author says, ever heard about learning to fish versus being given a fish? The wannabe entrepreneur says, fishing, rivers, I don't care about this stuff. My focus is on the roses. On Instagram, people advertise their roses, and I want them too, and I want them fast. What guru webinar should I join that will give me the exact steps? And then the author says, sigh. If you want the roses, you need to learn how to cross the river yourself. There aren't any shortcuts. I can give you the blueprint for crossing, but you're going to need the tools, the hammers, the wood, nails, and some of the other things, so you can build a system for crossing. It might take some time to find and learn these tools, but trust me, once you cross, the roses are incredible, and it's worth the effort. And that's what I have found with the Six-Figure Mentors business system and training and all that kind of stuff. It's as close to an easy button as I have found. As you may or may not know, I failed as an Amazon affiliate. I failed drop shipping products. I failed with a multi-level marketing company. And this is as easy as I have found, but there's still work. You still have to learn new skills, and you still have to apply that stuff and put it into action. So whether you're looking to grow an online business or do something different than that in your personal life or business life, just know that there isn't an easy button. Nothing extraordinary comes without effort, and that's just kind of the way it works. But anyways, I hope you like this, what you heard from Unscripted. And again, I realize it's backwards in the video. That's a bummer. Check it out on Amazon, and hope you guys have a good day. Bye.